Hey guys, and welcome to this channel. In this video I will be showing you how you can make the fireplace text effect on CapCut PC. So just going to library and select this black background template. Just drag and go to text and add the text. So rename the text, for example, and you can resize. So just export, click export button and waiting for the exporting, and then you can delete this project and go to media and import that created here, and go to track, and then just going to effect and select this part effect, and you can select this fireplace. Just drag here, and then you can just for this option. So here we go. Okay, that's how to make the fireplace text effect on CapCut PC. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below, and you can click thanks button for appreciate. Bye bye.